Induction cooktops have become quite popular in India. They not only add style and elegance to the kitchen setup, but also contribute to saving energy and fuel. So today I'm going to unbox one such induction cooktop which makes cooking much faster and easier. Let's get started.
Let's go ahead and open the box. The first thing we see is the induction cooktop wrapped neatly in plastic. There's also a user manual inside. Let's quickly take out the cooktop. As you can see, this induction cooktop is quite compact, making it easily fit in any corner of the kitchen. It comes with an LED display for easy operations. 7 preset menus have been incorporated into this induction cooktop along with additional manual control.
Subscribe to my channel.
With the preset option, you can easily fry, boil water, milk, barbecue, cook curry dishes, soup, rice, or you can customize your own cooking time and temperature. This product has an auto switch off to prevent burning and excess use of power. It has a unique pan sensor technology wherein the induction cooktop monitors the temperature of the vessel and adjusts the power level based on the size of the vessel. Another good feature of this product is that it prevents any spillage with its anti-skid feed feature.
That's all for this unboxing video. Stay tuned for more.